friends, welcome to my channel. So before starting today's video, I want to share with you, which you already know, that the vaccination has been started for the people of age 18 to 45 years. So go get vaccinate yourself, because this is the only way to survive in this pandemic situation, plus to fight back with this new version of the corona. I'm also uploading a new video every week with some things which I found in my home itself. I didn't go out to purchase anything, just use the things which is already present at my home. So use your creativity also, just spend your time at your home with your family and stay safe. So this video is all about transforming your footwear into a new version of the footwear. So nowadays this is a fashion that bridals and everyone is wearing the footwears with some text written on it, some personalized text. So in this video I'm going to do that crafting only, so how you can also prepare or design your footwear at your home as you want. And also I will show what mistakes you should avoid while designing your own footwear. Plus it's not only the DIY video, it will be super fun guys, because at the end of this video I have added some bloopers in which we accidentally shot actually, and it is a super fun. So watch till the end of this video, and until that, let's do the DIY. Let's begin. So I have taken this footwear of belly, which I am going to transform into a bridal footwear. It's not necessary that it will be a bridal footwear only. You can write any text. Initially I have used white acrylic paint over here and applied multiple coatings in a rectangular shape. So when it get dried, we are going to make some drawing on it, like some flowers. So it's not necessary that you should be a very good painter before making it. So just I'm taking this red and white acrylic paint and mixing them, and by mixing I made this baby pink color, and I'm just drawing the flower shape with 5 leaves. So it's, if you can see on the screen, it's not like very neatly I'm doing it. Anyone can draw this type of flowers. So this is very easy. It's not needed that very neatly you should have to do it. So I'm making multiple pink flowers over here. Then I'm drawing some yellow flowers. In this yellow color I mixed a little amount of red color, and then similarly I am drawing multiple yellow flowers over here. That is also not too clean or neat drawing. Now with black acrylic paint I am drawing some outlines over here. So it's like half I draw. Plus with the same acrylic paint I'm going to draw the outlines of these flowers which I made. That too should not be a very firm outline, like how, if you can see on the screen how I am doing it. Just anything, anywhere you can just draw the line. It's not necessary it should be only outline of the flower only, like you can see on my screen. So it's not needed that you should draw it very neatly. Now with green paint I am making some leaves over here, 2 inside and 2 outside, and making a shape of leaf. So similar design we are going to draw in the middle of the flowers too. So one thing you should keep in mind, which I missed, is like I didn't left space between the flowers. Second thing you should keep in your mind, that it's a pear, so the design should be opposite from one to other. Like the design in one footwear should be from left to right, and in another footwear it should be right to left. So everywhere I am drawing this outline on green leaves too. So finally it's looking like this, and yeah, I'm very happy with the outcome. Here you can write the text, anything which you want to write, plus inside also you can write the text, like in the bridal footwear it's written like beautiful bride and bride to be and the date of the marriage, anything, whatever text you want to write, like wifey forever, whatever you want. So here you can write the text as you want. Plus you can change the text accordingly as per your occasion also. Like suppose one text you written, you can again white paint it and then change the text. Plus yeah, if you want to keep it forever, just do a varnish spray on top of it. If you don't want, then you can use some water to remove it also. So it's not like you are ruining your footwear. You can reuse it again. Ta-da, it's ready. Yeah, so if you also try this type of thing at your home, please post your art pictures with me on my Insta and Facebook page. The link is then in the description box.
दीदी क्या कर रही मेरी मैनिस क्यों ली तूने?
एक मिनट सुन मेरी बात। अरे वो गीला है कलर
खराब हो जाएगी।
कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा।
छोड़ मेरी
ये वाली मुझे दे दे, तेरे को मैं नहीं लाई।
नहीं चाहिए मुझे।
नहीं, मैं इसको ठीक कर दूंगी।
खराब हो गई तो और अगर ये सही नहीं हुई तो एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करने दो।
गुड़िया देख, मैंने तेरी बैगी देख, ये कितनी सुंदर लग रही है। एक बार देख तो सही, कितनी प्यारी लग रही है बैगी। देखो सुंदर लग रही है ना। देख तो सही, नहीं बिगड़ी। एक बार देख, इसमें मैं पटाखा ब्राइट की जगह पटाखा कोण लिख दूँ। अच्छी लग रही है ना।
ठीक है
तो फिर मैं इसको साफ नहीं करूँ।
जय यहाँ से।
So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified with my new videos. And until my next video, stay tuned, stay healthy, stay at home and get vaccinated.